What does obligate and facultative mean in biology? The terms obligate and facultative describe how organisms, particularly microbes, adapt to environmental changes, such as the availability of oxygen, light, or hosts. First, we will discuss the term obligate. Obligate means an organism is strictly restricted to a specific lifestyle to survive. Therefore, obligate means strict necessity. It is used as obligate anaerobes. These are microbes that die in oxygen and must live in oxygen-free environments. For example, Clostridium bacteria. Obligate aerobes. These are bacteria requiring oxygen to survive. They will die without oxygen. For example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Now, we will discuss the term facultative. Facultative means the organism is flexible, capable of adapting to different conditions or behaving in multiple ways. Facultative means flexible. It is used as facultative anaerobes. These are bacteria that prefer oxygen, but can survive without it through fermentation or anaerobic respiration. For example, Escherichia coli.